If bunker shots make your heart race, you're not alone. For most new golfers, sand traps feel like punishment, not part of the game. And the frustrating part, you're probably doing exactly what you were told to do. And it's actually making bunker shots harder. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, repeatable bunker shot technique that helps beginners get out of the sand traps consistently, without fear, without guesswork, and without complicated swing thoughts. By the end of this video, bunker shots won't feel scary anymore. Let's reboot your bunker game. And stay with me, because there's one mistake almost every beginner makes that guarantees a bad bunker shot, and it has nothing to do with your swing. So digging in, why bunker shots feel impossible. Before we talk about technique, let's talk about mindset, because bunker shots are intimidating. For one reason, you're afraid of the sand. New golfers walk into a bunker thinking, don't hit it fat, don't hit it thin, just get out. And that fear causes tension, bad setup, and rushed swings. Here's the truth most golfers never hear. A bunker shot is not a normal golf shot. You're not trying to hit the ball first. You're not trying to help the ball into the air. You're using the sand to do the work. In a minute, I'll show you exactly where you should hit the sand, and once you see it, bunker shots will instantly make more sense. If you need to focus a little bit more, check out Dubby. They've got great hydration and energy powders. I love the flavors too, and it keeps me moving out on the course. You can go to w.gg/Golf Reboot to save some money on it. Into section 2, let's talk about the number one bunker shot mistake most beginners make. They try to scoop the ball. When you try to lift the ball out of the sand, one of two things will happen. You blade it across the green, or you chunk it and the ball stays in the bunker. Instead, a proper golf bunker shot uses the bounce of the club and the sand itself. You're literally throwing sand onto the green, and the ball just comes along for the ride. In the next section, I'm going to show you the exact setup that lets the club do the work. No scooping required.
All right, so we're going to try something. This is my backyard, and we now have the Giff snow trap. So you can see I cleared some of the snow in an area of my backyard, and we're going to use this as a sand trap. So let's see how it goes. I'm using the Callaway foam balls. So now, if we're hitting out of sand, this will be perfect. Setting the club up, opening up a little bit, scooting down, club face is open. It actually does pretty good.
Let's build a simple bunker shot setup that works for beginners. So your club choice, you want to start with a sand wedge. It's designed for the shot. If your set doesn't have a labeled sand wedge, go with a 54 or a 60 degree. This is my 60. I use all of my wedges depending on what I want, even my 69 degree from time to time. But for a standard, I'd probably go with my 60 to get air under the ball and to get it to stop fast. So for the stance, you're going to open your stance slightly, feet pointed a little bit left of the target and closer together. This helps the club swing along the correct path naturally. Like we said earlier, it isn't a normal swing. Sand's a different ball game, and we need to adjust for it. Now the ball position. The ball position is going to be slightly forward in your stance, just inside your front heel. Realistically, I play the ball right around where I would with the driver. It helps me to make sure I get under the sand behind the ball. Your weight distribution, like a lot of our other shots, 60% on your lead foot and the rest on the back. Keep the foot locked in. A lot of times I'll twist my feet a little bit to get a better grip and get down deeper in the sand to help me get under the ball. And then your club face. Instead of having it normal, it's going to be slightly opened. Slip your hands a little bit forward of the ball. This adds bounce, which is your best friend in bunker shots. The club should enter the sand a few inches behind the ball and come through a few ahead of it. The bounce helps you glide through. This setup alone fixes half of the beginner bunker shot problems. Now let's look at it quick. Remember, don't ground your club in the sand. I'm setting up to the ball, a little bit open, grabbing the club with my normal grip, face is a little bit open, and we're going to be a forward ball position. That's perfect. It lets you get the right path through. Section 4, the simple bunker shot swing. Forget about complicated mechanics. Here's the only swing thought you need for bunker shots. Hit the sand, not the ball. Picture a dollar bill under the golf ball. Your goal is to splash the front half of that dollar bill onto the green. So the club should come under the back half of the dollar bill and out from underneath, taking the whole dollar bill with you. The key swing feel, you want a smooth tempo, a full follow through, no deceleration. The biggest mistake beginners make here is slowing down. The sand is going to slow the club down enough. You don't need to. In a moment, I'm going to show you how far behind the ball you should enter the sand. This is one detail that really changes everything. It's something that I learned years ago, and it's stuck with me to today. While we're working on this, if you need something to help you practice better, I have a free guide that I made that goes along the way that I practice. Comment free guide down below and I'll send you the link so that you can download it for yourself. It works for me and I think it can help you too. Section 5, where to hit the sand. Here's the golden rule for bunker shots. Enter the sand about 1 to 2 inches behind the ball. You don't want to hit the ball itself. Too far behind the ball, you're going to leave it in the bunker. Too close or hit the ball, you're going to blade it. It's going to go across the green, probably into the woods or into another bunker. If you're practicing, draw a line in the sand, similar to the tape drill we recently did.
And there you go.
You're going to be practicing hitting just in front of the line, and the ball's a little bit forward of that. Next up, I'm going to show you how to adjust the same bunker shot for short shots versus longer bunker shots without changing your swing at all. For section 6 on distance control from bunkers, one of the biggest myths in golf is that the bunker shots require different swings. They don't. To hit the ball farther from a bunker, take a slightly longer swing. Keep the same tempo, same setup, same technique. To hit it shorter, shorter swing, same commitment through the sand, never slow down. It's all about the length of the swing. Never scoop. Before we wrap up, I want to share one quick practice drill that'll make your bunker shots feel automatic. Section 7, beginner bunker practice drill. Here's an easy drill you can do in minutes. Draw 2 lines in the sand. One where the ball is, 1 to 2 inches behind it. Practice splashing sand forward even without hitting a ball. This trains your entry point and builds confidence fast. Okay, quick recap for your simple bunker shot system. Open your stance, put your weight forward. Open the club face, hit the sand, not the ball. Commit to the swing. Don't get afraid. Like I said, the sand is going to slow your swing down anyway. If you do these 5 things, bunker shots become predictable, and predictable means confident. Comment down below, what part of bunker shots has been hardest for you? Let me see if we can fix it. I struggled with a lot of the game when I first started and couldn't decide where to start. Bunker shots were a big one for me, but I really had all around trouble. If you are too, I actually made a playlist of videos that take you from the tee to the green. This video is actually a piece of that, and the playlist is going to be popping up on the screen now. I think it'll really help you. My goal is to post things that I wish I knew when I started in 2004 and to help 1,000 golfers this year while I do it. And don't forget to subscribe so you see the rest of the videos and become part of the Golf Reboot family so that together we can play better, have more fun, and love the game again. See you next time.